Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a brand new USB Type-C 3.0 to RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet network LAN adapter with a 3-port USB 3.0 hub combination. I got this for $9 from eBay, and then free shipping. With the tax and everything is $9.79. So let's go ahead and unbox this and then show you guys. Alright guys, I'll take that. So let's give you guys a 360 view at the box real quick. Says made for Windows and then Mac. So I believe this is plug and play. And then here's a product description. So yeah, it is plug and play, easy installation, no software required, bus power, no external power needed, support 10/100/1000 megabit per second on USB 3.0 port, and then 3-port portable 3.0 hub with a Gigabyte Ethernet adapter. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this is a USB Type-C. So I wonder if it works on my Samsung Note 10 Plus. Alright, so unfortunately they don't have the LED lights on the left and right hand side. Normally you get like a green LED or the amber LED on the right hand side, left on the green. And then here's your additional USB Type-A port in case you guys need to hook up additional device. So yeah, this is like a aluminum casing, because once this is connected, it might get hot. So that's why I need this casing to cool it off. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.